First problem, the first subdivision 4x square minus 7x minus 2 is equal to 0. It is a given quadratic equation. We have to solve the quadratic equation by using factorization method. So first, you know already how to factorize it. We have to multiply the coefficient of x square and the constant term. So 4 2s are 8. So minus 8. So when the factors, product of the factors is minus 8. Sum of the factor is minus 7. So what are the factors will come? So multiply பண்ணா minus 8 வரும், add பண்ணா minus 7 வரும். அப்போ 8 ones are 8 போட்டீங்கன்னா multiply பண்ணா minus 8 வரும், add பண்ணா minus 7 வரும். அப்போ bigger number minus போடும்போது 1 minus 8 minus 7 கிடைச்சிரும். minus 8 plus minus 8 ones are 8 வரும். And one more thing, இப்போ இதுல x square coefficient இருக்கு. coefficient இல்லனா என்ன பண்ணலாம், இல்ல டிவைட் பண்ண வேண்டிய அவசியம் இல்ல. அப்போ x square coefficient இருக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும், இந்த வேல்யூவை இந்த factors will divide பண்ணனும். So by 4 they are also divided by 4. So you have to cancel it. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. அப்ப remaining என்ன இருக்கும், minus 2 by 1. இங்க ஆல்ரெடி என்ன இருக்கு, 1 by 4 தான் இருக்கு. பட் டினாமினேட்டர்ல இருக்கிற டேர்ம் கூட என்ன செய்யணும், ஆட் பண்ணனும், x ஆட் பண்ணி ஃபேக்டர் ஆட் பண்ணனும். எப்படி எழுதுவீங்க, that means x minus 2 into 4x plus 1 எழுதுங்க. So you know already the method, it is a shortcut method. So in the detailed method என்ன பாருங்க. So என்ன பண்றது is equal to 4x square. இந்த 7x நம்ம ரெண்டா ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்றோம். ஏன்னா ரூல்ஸ் என்னன்னு பாருங்க. ரூல்ஸ் the factorization rules என்ன, write the equation in general form. So general form ல already equation இருக்கு. Then by splitting the middle term, factorize the given. So இந்த middle term என்ன பண்ண போறோம், split பண்ண போறோம். அப்போ எப்படி split பண்றோம், 8 minus 8x plus 1x minus 2 is equal to split பண்ணியாச்சு. Again 1 minus 8 minus 7 கிடைச்சிரும். Next, after factorizing the given quadratic equation, can be written as the product of two linear facts. Equate the linear factors to 0 and solve for x. So now, so in the two terms what is common? ரெண்டுனா காமனா இருக்கு, 4 காமனா இருக்கும், also x is common. So remaining என்ன இருக்கும், 4 is x, that remaining one more x only there. So here 4 2s are 8, already 4 எடுத்தாச்சு. அப்போ remaining என்ன இருக்கு, 2 இருக்கு, x எடுத்தாச்சு, remaining x minus 2 தான் இருக்கு. இங்க plus இதுல 1 இருக்கு, இதுல ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல, அதுலயே 1 இருக்கும். because நமக்கு 2 into 1 என்னது 2 தான் வரும். அப்போ அந்த 2 லயும் ஒரு எல்லா டேர்ம்ஸ்லயும் ஒரு 1 இருக்கும். அப்போ taking out 1 common. So what is remaining here, x இருக்கும், minus 2 is equal to 0. Now இப்போ x minus 2 both terms will common are taking out x minus 2 common. What is remaining, 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. அதே வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிச்சா இது வந்து using the shortcut methods. So இது using the shortcut method, இது வந்து detailed method. ஓகேவா? So ரெண்டுல நீங்க எது உங்களுக்கு பெட்டரா இருக்கோ ஃபாலோ பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, now next condition என்ன பாருங்க நமக்கு. This implies that போடுங்க r equal to 0 இருக்கு. So this implies that two factors தனித்தனி equal to 0 ன்னு போடணும். அப்போ x minus 2 is equal to 0, 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies that x, the minus 2 goes to right hand side, will be plus 2. So minus right hand side plus 2, and 4x is equal to the plus 1 goes to right hand side, will be minus 1. Then x is equal to the 4 in multiplication goes to right hand side, it will be divided. So 1 divided by 4. So another value of x is minus 1 by 4. X is equal to therefore 2 comma minus 1 by 4 எழுதுங்க. So this is the required answer. Next is second one. What is second one? 3 of p square. The second one is 3 of p square minus 6, close the bracket, equal to p of p plus 5. P of p plus 5. Okay, this implies it. Now, is it in the form of quadratic equation? Is the quadratic equation form there? No. So we have to first change into the quadratic form. So first we have to multiply inside 3 into p square, 3p square, 3 6 are 18 equal to 3 into p square, then p into 5, 5p. So now bring the all terms to left hand side. Bring the all terms to left hand side. So 3p square, bring this p square to left hand side will be minus p square. Also bring the p plus 5p, come to left hand side it will be minus 5p. So already minus 18 is there, so it's equal to what's remaining in the right hand side? 0. So right hand side left hand side minus side, remaining right hand side only 0. This implies that 3p square minus p square, 2p square minus 5p minus 18 is equal to 0. Minus 18 is equal to 0. Now this implies that right here the product of the factors. Product of the factors. So 2 into 18. 2 into 18. So 36 minus 36 or no. Then sum of the factors. Sum of the factors minus 5. That means sum of the factor is minus 5. So what are the factors? 9 4s are 36. So multiply by 36 with minus 5. 4 greater number minus 49. 5 4 minus 9 is minus 5. So it satisfies the condition. Also we have to divide it by 2. What is the coefficient of the square term variable? 2. Divided by 2. Divided by 2. So the cancel 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. So what's remaining here? Denominator. 2p minus 9 into here 1p. That means p plus 2 is equal to 0. This implies that we have to separately put equal to 0. So 2p minus 9 is equal to 0 and p plus 2 is equal to 0. This implies that 2p is equal to the minus 9 go to right hand side will be plus 9 comma then p plus 2 is there. So the plus 2 goes to right hand side will be minus 2. This implies that p is equal to multiplication 2 goes to right hand side will be divide. So one of the answer is p is equal to 9 by 2. The another answer is p is equal to minus 2. Already you have to find that. Now therefore the value of p are minus 2 and 9 by 2. Minus 2 and 9 by 2. So finally you have to write the answer like p is equal to 9 by 2 comma minus 2. Okay, now square root of a minus 7 is equal to 3 root 2 is equal to 3 root 2. So this is the form of quadratic equation. Quadratic equation form first. No, first we have to change into the quadratic equation. So this implies that first we have to squaring on both sides. Then only we can cancel the square roots. So squaring on both sides. Square root of a minus 7 the whole square equal to 3 root to the whole square. This means the square and the square will be cancelled. So what will be remaining? A of a minus 7. A of a minus 7 will be remaining is equal to this side. Separately 3 square and root to the whole square. Separate square that means square and square will be cancelled. This implies that a into a square 9. What's remaining is the 2. So this implies that a square minus 7a is equal to 9 to the 18. This implies that a square minus 7a, bring the 18 to left hand side, it will be minus 18 is equal to 0. So now we have to factorize it. So now the product of the factors must be minus 80. The sum of the factors must be minus 7. So what are the factors will become 9 2s are 80. 9 2s are 18 is suitable for that. So 9 2s are 18 varum, but minus 17 varum add panna plus minus 7 varum appo enna minus 9 podina 2 minus 9 minus 7 varum minus 7 plus minus 9 2s are 80. So what will be remaining? So how to write the factors here? A minus 9 into a plus 2. A plus 2 is equal to 0. A plus 2 is equal to 0. Now is equal to, so a minus 9 separate equal to 0. A minus 9 is equal to 0, comma a plus 2 is equal to 0. This implies that the minus 9 goes to right hand, it will be plus 9. Now a is equal to 9. One of the answer, and one more answer is a is equal to, the plus 2 goes to right hand, it will be minus 2. So both are the answer of the given quadratic equation. Square root of 2 into x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0, plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. So now is it the form of quadratic equation? The quadratic standard form like yes, already we have x square term, x is constant term. So now we have to factorize it. So product of the factors. Now listen, root 2 into 5 into root 2 put that root 2 into root 2 into 5 equal to 2 5 is 10. That means product of the factors is 10. Then sum of the factor is 7. So sum of the factor is 7. So what are the factors? 5 2s are 10 poda namak kedachiro. 5 2s are 10 multiply panna 5 2s are 10 add panna 5 plus 2 7. Next we have to divide it by root 2. There the coefficient of x square is root 2. So divided by root 2. Here also divided by root 2. இப்போ இத ரெண்டு கேன்சல் பண்ண முடியாது, பட் இத கேன்சல் பண்ணலாம். எப்படி கேன்சல் பண்ணலாம் பாருங்க. இந்த 2 எப்படி எழுதலாம்? √2 into root by ஆல்ரெடி டினாமினேட்டர் √2. அப்போ 1 √2 1 √2 கேன்சல் ஆயிட்டு ரிமைனிங் என்ன இருக்கு? இல்ல 1 மட்டும் இருக்கும். சோ அப்போ என்ன ஆகும்? ரிமைனிங் √2 divided by 1. இங்க என்ன ஆல்ரெடி √5 by √2 தான் இருக்கு. Now we can write the factors. How to write the factors? x is अपना करना पड़ेगा x को root 2x plus 5 into one more factor denominator is x, that means 1x, that means x plus root 2 equal to 0. So we have to separately put equal to 0. So square root of 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, comma x plus square root of 2 is equal to 0. This implies that square root of 2x, the plus 5 goes to right hand side, it will be minus 5, and x is equal to plus root 2 goes to right, it will be minus root 2. Then this implies that x is equal to minus 5 by root 2, and x is equal to minus already minus square root of, that means already we have done better also. So already x is equal to minus root 2. Here one more answer is minus 5 by root 2 comma minus root 2. Fifth one 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. Now, is it in the form of quadratic equation? So, quadratic equation form irukka? Illa. So, thus we have to change it. Already irukku, but in denominator vandu enna pandranga LCM podukom. So, this implies that the LCM is 8. LCM is 8 will get. So, now அப்போ இந்த டேர்ம் டினாமினேட்டர் 1 இருக்கு, டினாமினேட்டர் 1 பண்ணா என்ன இருக்கு? 1 இருக்கு. அப்போ உங்களுக்கு LCM ஆக்சுவலா என்ன வேணும்? 8 வேணும். அப்போ நியூமரேட்டர் கூட இந்த 8 என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா 2 8s are 16 x square minus 8x. இந்த டேர்ம்ல 8 வராது, ஏன்னா நமக்கு ஆல்ரெடி டினாமினேட்டர்ல 8 இருக்கு. 1 மட்டும் தான் is equal to 0. This implies that 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0 into 8. So denominator with right hand side multiplication vandom. This implies that 16x square minus plus 1 is equal to 0 into 8 is 0. So now we have to multiply this x square term to constant term. So 16 into 1 is 16. Therefore the product of the terms must be 16. The product of the terms must be 16 because 16 into 1 is 16. Then sum of the term is minus 8. Sum of the term is minus 8. Now what are the factors? 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16 will get. But we are adding. We have to get the minus 8. Now both 4 can now minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 8 vandrum. Minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16. Now this implies that also here the denominator coefficient of x square is 16 is there. So we have to divide by 16. So divided by 16. Here also divided by 16. So what do we get? 1 4 is 4. 4 4s are 16. 1 4 is 4. 4 4s are 16. So what are the remaining? Minus 1 by 4 comma minus 1 by 4. So இன்னொரு மெத்தட் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். இன்னொரு மெத்தட் என்னது? a square minus 2ab plus b square ஃபார்முலா அப்ளை பண்ணி நீங்க சால்வ் பண்ண முடியும். So it is also better. Now what are the factors? 4x minus 1 and 4x minus 1. Therefore 4x minus 1 into 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies that we have to put separately the two factors equal to 0. 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies that 4x is equal to the minus 1 goes to right hand side, it will be plus 1. Here also 4x is equal to plus 1. Then this implies that x is equal to 1. The multiplication of divide order, so x is equal to 1 by 4. The same as again x is equal to 1 by 4. Therefore the factor of that means the roots of x are 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. That means x is equal to 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4. So finally we have to write like that 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4. So what is given in the problem? Leak. So number of leaks gonna function கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So we have to find number of teams in the leaks. So அந்த டீம்ல அந்த லீக்ல எத்தனை டீம்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ண போறோம். So first given g of n is equal to 50. G of n என்னது? n square minus n divided by 2 is equal to 50. So g of n கொடுத்தா அதோட வேல்யூ கொடுத்தா அந்த ஃபங்க்ஷன் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. g of n is n square minus n by 2 is equal to 50. So now it is in the form of quadratic equation. First we have to convert it to the quadratic equation. What do you convert? So n square minus n is equal to 50. Denominator 2 goes to right hand side, it will be multiplication. So denominator 2 right hand side 0. This implies that, so we have to factorize it. How do you factorize? We have to factorize it. Product of the factors minus 30. Sum of the factors minus 1. So multiply பண்ணா வரணும் minus 30 வரணும், add பண்ணா minus 1 வரணும். So what are the factors? 6 by 30. So but multiply பண்ணா minus 30 வரணும். எதுக்கு போடுவீங்க minus? இந்த நம்பருக்கு minus போடாம add பண்ணதுனா 5 minus 6 minus 1 வரும். minus 1 plus minus 6 by 30. So in the x square நமக்கு constant number எதுவும் இல்ல, அப்ப divide பண்ண வேண்டிய அவசியம் இல்ல. Directly you can write the factors. So n minus 6 into n plus 5 is equal to 0. This implies that n minus 6 is equal to 0 and n plus 5 is equal to 0. This implies that n is equal to minus n is equal to plus 6. n is equal to 6 one answer, and n is equal to minus 5 or plus 5 n is equal to minus 5, but it is not possible. Number of things of negative or whatever, it is not possible. So it is not possible. Therefore, is equal to 6.